This is my favorite spot on the property, and once you see what's behind me, I think it's going to be yours too. The deck is the heart of the home, quiet, curated, and completely private. The kind of place where you pour a glass of wine at the end of the day and realize you never want to leave. Towering Ponderosa pines, mountain air, and a stillness that is genuinely hard to find this close to the city. Welcome to Big Bear Court, one of the most thoughtfully designed homes in Mountain High, one of Bend's premier gated communities. This is the Oasis, and everything inside was designed to match it. Step inside, and the mid-century modern design does exactly what great design is supposed to do. It makes you feel something. Soaring cedar ceilings, walls of windows, and a dramatic stone fireplace that immediately anchors the room. This is the space where your family gathers, where friends stay longer than they planned, and where the evenings are slow. The entertainment bar and coffee nook are the kinds of detail that tells you the people who built this home actually live well. Every morning starts here, coffee in hand, pines out the window, no rush. The gourmet kitchen gives the same energy, quality finishes, generous islands, and room to gather. The primary suite is where this home really delivers on its promise. Spacious, serene, and completely removed from the rest of the world. Natural light filters through the pines and fills the room in a way that makes you want to slow down the moment you walk in. The bathroom is a full retreat, and the soaking tub is the kind of detail that stops people mid-tour. Picture a quiet evening, the trees just outside, complete privacy. This is not just a room. This is where the reverse living design really shows its genius. The lower level den is cozy in the best sense of the word. Warm, private, connected. It opens upward to the main floor, so you never lose that feeling of space and light. And it has its own private deck where you can disappear completely. The guest suite has its own private deck that leads directly out to the Zen space, so your guests aren't just staying in a room, they're living in their own quiet corner of the property. They won't want to leave. Honestly, neither will you. Outside, the 0.76 acre lot feels like its own private park. Mature Ponderosa pines, beautifully maintained landscaping, peaceful walking paths, and views of the adjacent golf course create a setting that genuinely feels worlds away. And yet you are minutes from everything Bend has to offer. That combination, real privacy, real nature, real convenience, is what makes a property like this so hard to replicate. Every space out here was designed to be used, enjoyed, and lived in, not just looked at. If you've been searching for a home that combines luxury, privacy, and a true connection to the outdoors, this home is for you. Call today to schedule your private tour.